Welcome back to Common Academy. Hello students, how are you? Today we discuss about the numerical problem which are related to the Asian book. Okay, we are study in the class Asian book. It is a helping book, and we also solve NCERT book. Okay, now today we solve numerical problem which are related to equation of motion and some acceleration formula, speed and distance formula. Okay, now we start the problem which are related to the Asian book. Okay, now your first question is question number 22. Question number 22 from your Asian book. Okay, what the question here? Question: find the initial velocity of a car. Find the initial velocity of a car. So write down here. Firstly, you write down here given. Okay, given. Okay, what the given here? What the given here? Firstly, find the initial velocity of the car which is stop in 10 seconds. So time here, time is 10 seconds. Okay, time is 10 seconds. Okay. Apply brake. The retardation due to brake, here retardation is given here 2.5 meter per second square. What is the retardation? Retardation means the negative acceleration. Okay, and you have to find u. Okay, so how you solve? Because here no initial velocity, no final velocity. Find the initial velocity of the car which is stop. Stop means here final velocity will be 0. Okay, then how you solve? Okay, we use first equation of motion. First equation of motion. Okay, first equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion? V is equal to u plus at. Okay, because here retardation, so we can write here retardation. How we write here retardation means that is the negative acceleration. That is the negative acceleration. Okay, so put the value here. V is 0, u plus a means minus 2.5. Okay, and what the value of t? T is 10 seconds. So u minus 25, so u is equal to 25 meter per second. Okay, that is the solution of question number 22 which are related to Asian book. Okay, now next question is question number 23. Okay, question number 23. What the question number 23 here? Now describe the motion of body which are accelerated at a constant rate of 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square if the body start from rest. So given, what the given here? Body start from rest, so u is equal to 0. Here acceleration, constant rate acceleration is 10 meter per second square. How much distance will it cover in 2 seconds? Okay, so time here 2 seconds. Now find the distance. So which equation of motion you use? We have three equation of motion. First, v is equal to u plus at. Second, s is equal to ut plus half at square. And third one is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, in the first equation of motion there no distance are given, so we can use equation number second and equation third. But in the equation in the given there no final velocity are given. So we have to use equation of motion second. Okay, now then we use second equation of motion. What is the second equation of motion? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, so what the s we have to find as u. What is the initial velocity? G 0 t multiply by t plus half A. What the acceleration here? 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square and time 2 square means 2 into 2. Here cancel out. Okay. So S is equal to 0 plus 10 to the 20. So we can say that S is equal to 20 meter. Understand? S is equal to 20 meter. Is that clear? Note down. Next question is question number 24. Okay. Question number 24, which are related to your Asian book. All the questions are related to Asian book. Okay. Now, a motorcycle moving with the speed of 5 meter per second. Okay. Means a motorcycle moving with 5 meter per second means we can say that that is the initial velocity. That is the initial velocity. So what the given here? Given u is equal to 5 meter per second. Okay. Subjected to an acceleration means here acceleration is 0.2 meter per second square. Are you getting me? Okay. Now calculate the speed of motorcycle after 10 seconds means time is 10 seconds means calculate. We have to calculate final velocity after 10 seconds means final velocity. Okay, final velocity and the distance traveled at this time. Okay, we have to find here velocity, final velocity and distance both. Okay, then we use which equation of motion here use, because u is given, acceleration is given, time is given, then we have to find velocity and displacement or distance covered by the motorcycle. So firstly we try to find final velocity. V is equal to u plus at from the equation of motion first. Okay, what is the u here? 5 plus acceleration is 0.2 and which time? 10. So we 5 plus 2, because 10 multiplied by 2 they are 7 meter per second. That is the final velocity. Okay, then what the distance travel? So we have here find here s is equal to ut plus half at square. U is 5, time is 0.2 meter plus half acceleration. Acceleration means here 0.2 multiply by 0.2. Okay, sorry, here acceleration only one. 0.2 multiply by time. Time is 10 multiply by 10. Okay, cancel out 0.1, 5 to the 10, 1.0 plus 0.1 multiply by 10, 1 multiply by 10, 10 plus 1, 11 meter. That's your answer. Okay, what the final velocity? 7 meter per second, and what the distance covered by the motorcycle is 11 meter. Is that clear? Okay. Now next question. Next question is 25. Okay, 25, question number 25. How we solve here? Okay, a bus running at a speed of 18 km per hour. A bus running at a speed of 18 km per hour. Okay, means the initial velocity in this time means observer start observing when bus speed is 18 km per hour. So we write here given initial velocity represented by u 18 km per hour. Okay, 18 km per hour. His stop in 2.5 second means final velocity is when any object is stopped after some time, then the final velocity will be 0. Then final velocity here 0 and time t is equal to 2.5 second applied brake. Okay, then calculate the retardation. You have to find here retardation. Okay, now how we find here? Then we use equation of motion first, because here initial velocity is given, final velocity is given, time is given, retardation. Okay, but one more problem here, because time here given 2.5 second and here velocity is 18 km per hour. So we have to change in means initial velocity in meter per second, then we multiply by 5 by 18, that is the cancel, means what the initial velocity 5 meter per second. Okay. Now we use equation of motion first. V is equal to u plus at. Okay. V, what the V is 0, u is 5 plus acceleration multiply by time. Time is 2.5 second. Okay. Here put there 2.5 a, okay, minus 2.5 a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5 upon minus 2.5, minus 2.5. Okay. Here 50 upon minus 50 upon 25. So we can write here minus 2 meter per second square. I am already told you when acceleration is negative, so we can write here retardation is 2 meter per second square. If the acceleration is negative, then we can write here that is the retardation. So if the acceleration is minus 2 meter per second square, so the retardation is 2 meter per second square. Is that clear? Understand? Now next question. Next question is question number 26. A train, question number 26, a train is starting from rest. A train is starting from rest means the initial velocity is 0. What the given here? Initial velocity is 0 with a uniform acceleration 0.2 meter per second square. Means here acceleration is 0.2 meter per second square for 5 minutes. Okay. For 5 minutes means here time is 5 minutes. Then calculate the speed acquired, means final velocity. You have to find the final velocity and distance travel at this time. Okay. Now here acceleration is meter per second square, so we have to change time in second, then multiply by 60, then we got 300 second. Okay. 300 second. Now find the final velocity. V is equal to u plus at. What the initial velocity is 0, a is 0.2, t is multiplied by 300. Then we got final velocity 60 meter per second. When we multiply by 30, okay, then we got 60 meter per second. That is the final velocity. That is the final velocity. Okay. You can solve this problem with the help of equation of motion second, and you can also solve this question by the equation of motion third. Then we use here any equation second or third, then here we use third equation of motion. V square is equal to u square plus 2as for finding distance. Okay. Then what the V here? We already got it. V 60 square, u 0 square plus 2a. What the a here? 0.2 multiply by s. That is the 3600, 2 to the 4, 0.4 s. S is equal to 3600 divided by 0.4. Then we got 36000 because we have to multiply by 10 in numerator and denominator both. So what the distance travel by train? 9,000 meter, or we can write this 9 kilometer. Understand? Is that clear? Okay. Now note down. Next question is question number 28. A cheetah start from rest, means initial velocity is 0, accelerate 2 meter per second square. Is that clear? Acceleration here 2 meter per second square for 10 seconds. So time here given 10 Second, calculate the final velocity. First A, final velocity means V is equal to question mark, B acceleration is equal to question mark. Okay. Then which equation of motion? V is equal to U plus AT. So what the V here? V, U is 0, A is 2 and T is 10. Then we got 20 meter per second. Okay. 20 meter per second. Acceleration, calculate the final velocity and the acceleration. Okay. Here acceleration are already given. Okay. Acceleration is already given. So acceleration is 2 meter per second square. If in this question we can also add, if anyone asked you what the acceleration after after 10 second when object will be raised, means final velocity will be raised. So we use that the initial velocity, ये जो initial velocity है बेटा we can use that is the initial velocity u and what the final velocity v. Okay. Now next is a train traveling 20 meter per second square, acceleration is 0.5 for 30 seconds. How far will it travel time? Means here initial velocity is, that is the initial velocity u. Okay. That is the initial velocity 20 meter per second. That is the initial velocity. That is the acceleration. So acceleration is 0.5 meter per second square. In which time? 30 second. So t is equal to 30 second. Is that clear? T is equal to 30 second. Then we have to find here travel, means how far travel, means how much distance covered by train, means s is equal to question mark. Okay. Then we use here equation of motion, second equation of motion, ut plus half at square. Why we use second equation of motion? Why we not use here third equation of motion? Because here final velocity are not given, then we can't use third equation of motion. Okay. So s is equal to u 20 multiply by 30 plus half, what the acceleration? 0.5 multiply by 30 into 30. Okay. We got 2 3 ja 6 00. Okay. 15 means 35, 3 5 3 ja 15, 225 means 6 to 8 825 meter. That's your answer. Is that clear? Okay. Now question number 30, which are related from action. Okay. Question number 30, a cyclist travel at 15 meter per second. A cyclist travel at 15 meter per second means that is the initial velocity 15 meter per second. Okay. She applied the brake means retardation are generate here. Okay. Collide with the wall 18 meter away. Okay. She does not collide means final velocity 0 हो गया, means s is equal to here 18 meter, then final velocity is 0. What the deceleration means? We have to find here retardation. Okay. Then we use, because here v is given, s is given, u is given, we have to find here retardation. There no time are given. Then how we can use for equation of motion first and equation of motion second? So we have to use here third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So what the final velocity is 0. Initial velocity 15 square plus 2 acceleration. There we have to find the acceleration and what the distance 18. Okay. Then here 15 225 plus 18 to the 36a. Okay. When we put here, then we got 36a is equal to 225, a is equal to 225 divided by 36 minus negative. If acceleration is negative, then it is the retardation 225 divided by 36 meter per second square. That is your answer. Is that clear? That is your answer. Now next, a bus was moving with a speed of 54 kilometer per hour, means that is the initial velocity 54 kilometer per hour. On applying the brakes, it is stopped, means final velocity will be 0 in 8 seconds. Time is 8 seconds. Calculate the acceleration. Now again we use v is equal to u plus at. U, what is the u? 54. A, acceleration, we have to find here acceleration. Final velocity is 0, multiply by time. Time is 8 seconds. Okay. Then we got here minus 8a is equal to 54. Okay, minus 8 is equal to 54. Then we got a is equal to 54 minus 54 divided by 8. 6. 8 6 are 48 and 0.60. 8 7s are 8 5s. Acceleration is negative 6.75 meter per second square. Or we can write here, that is the negative, means we can write here retardation 6.75 meter per second square. Is that clear? That is your question number 34B. Next question is 35B. A train is starting from stationary position. Stationary position means the initial velocity is 0. And moving with uniform acceleration attain to speed. Uniform acceleration attain to initial velocity is 0 and attain the 36 kilometer per hour, means final velocity is 36 kilometer per hour. Okay. In 10 minute, here time is 10 minute. Time is 10 minute. Okay. If the time is 10 minutes, find the acceleration. Find the acceleration. Students, here velocity is kilometer per hour and time is minute. Time in minute. Then we have to change in same unit. So we have to multiply 36 multiply by 5 by 18. 18 2s are 36, means 10 meter per second. That is the final velocity, and time here 10 minutes. So 10 multiply by 60, then we got 600 second. Okay. Then find the acceleration. So use first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. Okay. U is 0. A, acceleration, we have to find here acceleration. Time is 600 second, and what the final velocity? 10 meter per second. Okay. Then we got 600 A is equal to 10. So A is equal to 10 upon 600. Cancel out. A is equal to 0.01 meter per second square. Is that clear? Divide it 1, then decimal 0 0 0, 61 ja 60. 400. Okay, and 600 36. Okay, then we can write here 0.016 meter per second square. That is the acceleration. Is that clear? Okay. Now note down here and solve the next problem. Okay. A car acquire velocity 72 km per hour in 10 seconds starting from rest. Starting from rest means initial velocity is 0 and final velocity is 72 km per hour. So change here 72 multiply by 5 by 18. 18 4 ja 72 means 20 meter per second. Here time given is 10 second. Okay. Time given is 10 second. Then first find the acceleration. Find the acceleration. Then we use here v is equal to u plus at. What the v? final velocity is 20 and initial velocity is 0. What the acceleration in time? 10 second. So 10 is equal to 20, then we got 10 to the 20, 2 meter per second square. Okay, here acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Second, that is the first. Average velocity. How you find average velocity? Average velocity means 62 kilometer, means average velocity means total distance. Okay, so total distance upon total time taken. So what the total distance? So firstly you have to find distance. Okay, the distance third means third s is equal to ut plus half at square, ut plus half at square. So what the distance cover? S u. What is the u? 0 multiply by t 10 plus half, acceleration is 2, time is 10 multiply by 10. 2 cancel, s is equal to 10 10 ja 100 meter. So distance traveled by the car is 100 meter, and we know that second equation of motion, average velocity. So average velocity means total 0 plus what the final velocity? 20 divided by 2. So we got 10 meter per second, that is the average velocity. Is that clear? All the questions which are related to action we solve here. In the next class we study about the graphical representation of equation of motion, and we have to draw a graph time distance and time speed. Okay, if you like this session, then you subscribe my channel and share to all. Okay, now thank you.